Welcome to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video you guys will be learning on how to solve exponential equations. All right, now let's get to it. Alright guys, so first of all, what we are looking for when we solve exponential equations is we are going to try to change the base to be of equal number. Alright, so we want the bases to be same. Now let's go ahead and prime factorize 81, guys. So 81, when we prime factorize 81, we see that it can be divided by 3, right? 81 divided by 3 is 27, and we're going to go ahead and divide this by 3 again, which is 9. And 9 can be divided by 3 again, which is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, right guys? So we know that 81 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4, right? So 81 here, I'm going to write it as 3 to the power of 4, and this is raised to the power of 7, right guys? Now let's do the same for 9. 9 is pretty easy because we know 9 is 3 times 3, right guys? And 3 times 3 is 3 to the power of 2, right guys? So I'm going to write 9 as 3 to the power of 2 to the power of negative 6, alright guys? Now let's do the same for 27. Now we see that 27 is 9 times 3, and we know that 9 is 3 times 3 and multiplied with one more 3 which we have on the top, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3. Alright guys, so 27, I'm going to write it as 3 raised to the power of 3, and all of this to the power of 4x minus 5. Alright guys, now I'm going to use the law of exponent, the power law of exponent, to solve this. So here what do I have, guys? I have 3 multiplied with 4 times 7 multiplied with, right, in the second one we have 3 multiplied with 2 times negative 6, and on the right hand side of the equation we have 3 multiplied with 4x minus 5, right guys? We have something like this. Now let's write the exponential value. Now we have 3 raised to the power of 28 multiplied with 3 raised to the power of negative 12 is equal to, and here's where many students make mistakes, guys. When we break this bracket, we have to use the distributive property, right? So we have 3 raised to the power of 12x minus with 15, right? We are taking the value that is in front of the bracket and multiplying with everything inside the bracket. Now voila, as you can see, we have the basis as 3. All right, now it is very easy. So we can write the equation. We have 28 minus 12 is equal to 12x minus 15. All right guys, now 28 minus 12 is going to give us 16, right? 16 is equal to 12x minus 15, right guys? Now transposing negative 15 to the other side, we have 16 plus 15 is equal to 12x, right? So 31 is equal to 12x, and the value of x is equal to 31 over 12, right guys? The value of x is equal to 31 over 12, and that is how we would solve exponential equation. Alright guys, now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to hit on that like button, guys, and consider subscribing, as that will help me a lot. Alright guys, now until next time, have a nice day.